Hello children, welcome back to English language class, and today in my class I am going to teach you the lesson called verbs. Okay, first of all you should know what is verb, okay, how you will use this chapter in your English language and daily uses. Okay, so first of all, how you will define the word verb. Verb is an action. Okay, verb shows action. Any action is performed by the doer, okay, are known as verb. For example, see right now I am teaching you, right? The teaching word is a verb, understood? Like it shows like how someone or something, means the work is done by the doer, okay, the action is performed by the doer are known as verb. So this is how you define the term verb. Now verb has been categorized into two types, okay. First one is called transitive verb and second one is known as intransitive verb, okay. Now transitive verb, what does transitive verb says? Verb that require an object, okay. So intransitive verb, it requires an object to complete and form as a sentence in a verb, that is called transitive verb. For example, you can see here Ramu kicked a ball. Now here in this sentence, which one is verb? Kicked is a verb, alright, because Ramu is a subject and Ramu is performing an action, so action is a kicked, so this is referred as a verb. And here which one is an object? Ball. A ball is an object. So here this type of sentence, like in transitive verb, it requires verb as well as object, so that is called transitive verb. Are you clear? Next example you see here, Sheila wants an apple. Now verb, first of all you have to identify verb. Wants is a verb because here Sheila is performing an action, and an apple is a object. So when you see in a sentence which has a verb as well as an object, so those type of sentence is called transitive verb. I hope it makes clear to you what is transitive verb now. Now intransitive verb, what is called intransitive verb? Now intransitive verb does not require an object, okay, like here you had an object, no, like a ball is object, so here you don't require an object, so those type of sentence are known as intransitive verb. Are you clear? Example you see here, Sita sneezed. Sneezed is a verb, okay, this is showing an action, so sentence is complete here. Sita sneezed, there is no object, understood? So that is called, it is called intransitive verb. And next one you see, Farhan sat. Here you have only verb, there is no object, so this sentence, this type of sentence are called intransitive verb. Are you clear? So in this way you will be able to solve such questions of transitive and intransitive verb and verb. I hope it makes clear to you what is verb now. Now verb forms. So in verb forms it has been categorized again in present, past and past participle form, okay. Like for example you take any verb form word, for example write. Write is in the present form, but when it comes to the past form, write becomes wrote. Wrote in the past form, and past participle form it becomes written, okay. For example another word, if you write go, okay, go is the verb. Now in the past form the go becomes went and past participle becomes gone, all right. Another example, eat. Eat, in the past it becomes ate and past participle it becomes eaten, okay. So there are so many various type of words, verb forms, so you will change from present to past, past to past participle in this way. Okay, for which you need to memorize such words. All right. Another example, if you take fly, fly becomes flew and flown. Okay, but there are some irregular verbs which you cannot change, it remains same. Such words like cut. Cut becomes cut in the past form, even in the past participle becomes cut. All right. Another word, put. Sorry. So it remains same. So these are the irregular verbs. All right. These are referred as the irregular verbs. Okay. So in this way, you will use such verb forms in a sentences. All right. Okay. Now you can see a set of verb forms questions which you need to identify from the following sentences and underline it. These are the 5 sets of questions. So how to solve, how to find out the verb in the sentence, I am teaching you right now. Like see sentence number 1, they built the tower 20 years ago. Now here, which one is the verb? You need to find out. So here the word built is a verb. Okay. Next one, the policeman noticed the black bag placed under the bench. Now here the verb is noticed. One more verb you can see here, that is placed, is a verb. Okay. Next one, the soldier obeyed their officer's command. So here the verb is obeyed, is a verb. Next one, that man is very strong, he can bend an iron rod. So here in this sentence, which one is a verb? The word bend is a verb. Next one, they captured the rebel. Now here the verb is captured. So in this way, you will identify the verb in the sentences and solve such questions. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home.